Hello guys, Jazz here. I just thought I'd do a little video on my process for this treasure map t-shirt design. So this is the first layer, or not the first layer, but the first step is I rip the paper. I'm starting to stain the paper with coffee, and this may not be the actual piece that I use and scan, but I'm just showing you what I'm doing, and just let that dry until we get the darkness that I want of the paper. And sorry for filming, and I will show you what I'm going to do next once I do the next step. So wait for, I'm going to edit together, and we'll make a video on how I'm doing this t-shirt. So this is the second stage of the design process. Is I've started cutting this. I drew up the design I want to print. Make sure you cut it in reverse because it's going to print in reverse. So yeah, and I'll do a quick little clip of me printing it. Then I'll show you what I do once I've scanned it and start editing the photo to go onto the t-shirt. Okay, so we're up to the printing process. It's a bit dinged up the block because I'm on my turntable. I'm a bit stupid to do that. And the rest of it. And let's do that. And maybe let's try some ghost printing over here. Make sure you get it right down. Make sure it transfers. Yeah, that's alright. Here we stuffed up, but it's alright. Add some uniqueness to it. Alright, I'll see you when I scan it.